How to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable restricted mode on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Settings and Privacy. Now from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option labeled as Content Preferences. So just tap on it, and now here inside the Content Preferences, you can see the option labeled as Restricted Mode. So just tap on it, and here as you can see, it's currently disabled. So to enable the restricted mode, just tap on the turn on button which can be seen in the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will come up asking you for the reason to turn on the restricted mode. So you can just choose the reason and submit it, or you can simply skip it. And that's it. Now you have successfully enabled restricted mode on TikTok. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.